This benchtop oscillating sander is ideal for smoothing edges after cutting with a bandsaw or scroll saw. 58 oscillations per minute ensure even sanding, and 6 sanding sleeve diameters let you sand a full range of inside curves down to ½ inches diameter. With 6 sanding sleeve diameters, this compact sander will handle just about any sanding task you throw at it. The onboard storage keeps sanding spindles, sleeves, table inserts, and spindle washers organized and easily accessible. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. The various inserts included with the W1831 are used to close the gap between the table insert and drum, which reduces the risk of pinching and offers more work support for your sanding jobs. The built-in 1/2 inches dust port ensures a cleaner shop and fewer airborne dust particles when connected to a dust collector. The locking power switch with a removable key helps protect against unauthorized use, and the heavy-duty cast iron table offer plenty of work support. All of which make this a great benchtop machine. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 1/2 horsepower permanent magnet motor. 120 volt, single phase, CSA certified. Number 2. Table size. 11½ inch width by 15 inch length by 1 5/16 inch height. Number 3. Sanding drum diameter. 3/4 inches, 1 inch, 1/2 inches, 2 inches, and 3 inches. Sanding drum length 4½ inches. Number 4. Sanding sleeves. 1/2 inches, 3/4 inches, 1 inch, 1/2 inches, 2 inches, and 3 inches. Number 5. Weighs 30 pounds, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.